In 2010, people called India the back office of the world. In 2025, it's quietly becoming the brain of the AI revolution. From Bengaluru to Hyderabad, Indian engineers are building the models that power your favorite apps, tools, and even big tech's future. But how did this happen? Why are Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and countless startups fighting to hire Indian AI talent and paying more than ever for it? In this video, we'll break down how India is quietly winning the AI talent war and what it means for engineers, salaries, and remote work in the next 5 years. Here's the thing a lot of people miss. AI doesn't just need GPUs and data. It needs people. People who can actually build, ship, and maintain these systems. And that's where India is exploding. Every year, India produces millions of STEM graduates, and a growing share of them are moving into AI, machine learning, and data science. Not just through big universities, but through online boot camps, self-paced courses, and self-taught devs grinding on Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and MLOps. And they're not just doing support work anymore. They're building real AI products, recommendation engines for global apps, fraud detection systems for finance, large language model tools and integrations, computer vision for healthcare, agriculture, and logistics. This is no longer a cheap back-end office. This is where core AI products are being built. Now let's talk about money. In the US, an AI or ML engineer might cost a company $150,000 to $300,000 a year or more once you add benefits and equity. In India, companies can hire strong AI engineers for a fraction of that, but those salaries are rising fast. Typical rough ranges in India right now: entry-level AI ML engineer, around $5-8 lakh per year. Mid-level, a few years experience, Rs 10-22 LPA senior or specialist roles, Rs 20-40 plus LPA. And in top product companies or big tech, sometimes Rs 50-60 LPA or more. For global companies, this is still a huge cost advantage compared to Silicon Valley. For engineers in India, it's a massive upgrade versus traditional IT or support roles. And as demand outpaces supply, 9 to 10% salary hikes per year in AI roles are becoming common. So India is no longer just cheap talent. It's high-value talent at better economics, a genuine win-win. Higher pay for engineers, lower cost for companies. But the real accelerant in this story: remote work. Before 2020, if you wanted to work on cutting-edge AI, you probably had to move to San Francisco, Seattle, London, or Berlin. Now, you can contribute to global AI products from a flat in Pune, a co-working space in Hyderabad, or your home in Indore. Hundreds of Indian engineers now work directly for US and EU startups as remote employees. Get paid in dollars or euros, sometimes 2 to 4x local salary levels. Keep Indian cost of living while earning global tech pay. And big tech noticed. Instead of hiring only support teams in India, they're building AI research labs, data centers and platform teams, full product engineering groups. That means more roles like applied scientist, ML engineer, MLOps engineer, data engineer for AI pipelines. Remote work didn't just give people flexibility, it unlocked India's AI talent for the entire world. So why is big tech betting so hard on India's AI talent? There are three big reasons. Number one, scale of talent. India has something rare, huge quantity plus solid quality. Companies can hire entire AI teams here. Data engineers, ML engineers, product engineers, not just one remote dev. Number two, cost advantage. Even with rising salaries, the cost per senior engineer in India is still far lower than in most Western cities. For the same budget, companies can run more experiments, build more features, and iterate faster. Number three, 24/7 product velocity. With teams in India plus US or Europe, companies can run around-the-clock development cycle. Code written in California can be tested, improved, and redeployed by teams in Bengaluru before the US wakes up. Put it all together and you get this. India isn't just participating in the AI race. It's becoming one of the core engines that powers it. If you're an engineer in India right now, listen carefully. This is probably one of the best moments in history to skill up in AI. But that doesn't mean everyone will automatically win. It's not enough to say, I have a degree. You need to be able to say, I can deliver outcomes. That means building real projects, not just certificates. Contributing to open source and GitHub, creating tools, apps and APIs that solve real problems. Being comfortable working with global teams. In clear English, you're no longer just competing with people from your college or your city. You're competing globally, but you also have the chance to work globally without leaving home. If you're a founder, CTO, or recruiter watching this from anywhere in the world, you can ignore India, recruit only in your local city, and keep saying hiring is hard. Or you can build a serious, respectful, long-term relationship with Indian talent. That means paying fair, globally linked salaries, offering flexibility and remote-friendly culture, investing in upskilling and growth, treating engineers as partners, not just cheap labor. The companies that do this will build faster, ship more, and survive the AI wave. The ones that don't will get outcompeted by those who did. India used to be called the back office of the world. In the AI era, it might just become the world's AI nerve center. The only real question is, where will you stand in this story? If you're an Indian engineer, comment below. Tell me what city you're coding from and what you're learning in AI right now. And if you want a full breakdown of exact AI skills to focus on roadmaps for Indian devs and how to land remote US or EU roles from India, tell me in the comments and I'll make that the next deep dive. If this video opened your eyes even a little, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Wake Up Highlights for more realities on AI, work, and the future of India's talent.